Writing down everything I see, tracing my steps back till I'm wild and free, and I'll chase until it's in front of me. Born to wander, and that's what led me here. Cursed blessing, boy.
What's up guys, welcome back to another episode. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. I like to think I do cool shit, but you can be the judge of that. Check out this weather we have in Cairns today. Glass out, crystal clear water. Ideal conditions for pretty much everything but sailing. So I haven't got my sails up because there's absolutely no wind at all, so I'm motoring along. Not ideal because you burn fuel, but the price you pay for conditions like this. So I bought a new barbecue, so I'm out here looking for something to eat. Either I'm going to jump in the water and get it, or the fish is going to jump on my boat. Preferably, if that happens sometimes. I think I've seen a video where a fish does that, but yeah, cool. Just going to take the day as it comes. I haven't got any real plans. All I want to do is just come out here and enjoy this pristine weather. It's absolute perfection. Man, are you kidding? Look at this weather. Absolute glass out. It is so beautiful out here today. It's crazy.
I will climb the highest mountains, and I'll swim every river, every sea. I will brave the great unknown till my heart is finally where it's meant to be. Often pondering and always asking why. Stop, don't worry.
So clear, I can see all the way to my anchor. Clear as day. That's freaking awesome. Let's jump in the water.
I will climb the highest mountains, and I'll swim every river, every sea. I will brave the great unknown till my heart is finally where it's meant to be.
Got back in now from my spear. Didn't really see much of anything that would look too yum. I think I'm going to lift up the anchor, make our way over to Vlasov, and I reckon me and Kida might just chill there, chuck the line out, take her ashore. See how that goes. Maybe we'll catch a fish there. Just as I was making my way over to Vlasov, caught myself a golden spotted trevally, which out of all the trevallies is the best eating one. So you sure as hell I'm gonna be eating this for lunch. Look at that, it's a beautiful size for the barbecue. So I've anchored back at my spot, which I literally was just leaving from, and now I'm gonna cook this bad boy up. Oh, yum. Yes. cooking really for one. Kida doesn't exactly have a big stomach. I'm gonna cut one of these in half and then barbecue that up just because, you know, we've got to save some for dinner. So I'm pretty much gonna be cooking this with the most basics. A tiny bit of olive oil on it. Put a little bit of pepper on it. Squeeze one of them on. All right, then I'm gonna run that straight down the center. Just like that. Put it up. Just like that. And now let's go over to the barbecue and we'll chuck it on. All right, I've had the barbecue preheating for a little bit, so we'll make sure it's nice and hot. Yeah, that feels good. There, right in the center. Close that. That should be about, I actually have no idea how long that's gonna take, so I'm gonna be constantly checking it. All right, it's been about 9 minutes on medium heat in the barbecue. I'm just checking it now. Oh yeah, she's about almost ready. Look at that. It's cooking beautifully. I reckon like 2 more minutes and that bad boy will be done. Gotta get that shot for the gram, you know? Mmm. Yum. I'll tell you what, that barbecue is a weapon. Here we go.
I wanna run with you, I wanna let go. Arms open wide with a life to call our own. Ooh, let's run away. Ooh, never be afraid. We can go anywhere. We can go anywhere. 'Cause we got the world and we can go anywhere. So where do we go from here? I wanna chase down every dream we've had. Live every moment like it's gonna be our last. Ooh, let's disappear. Ooh, turn away from
So another day is setting down in beautiful Cairns over at Vlasov Cove. Hope you guys have enjoyed the episode. If you want to get yourself any Sequelia products, aka the new cap that's just come out, cool design, got the logo on the front with the tide on the back. If you guys want to get your own, there'll be a link down below. You can go over to the Sequelia website and get yourself some of this gear. Haven't already, please like and subscribe because you know that means the most to me. And then I'll see you guys for the next episode. Yeah.